In the midst of a blasting snowstorm, survival can depend on using the terrain to your advantage. Discover the tree well, a hollow formation at the base of conifer trees that can be turned into a refuge from the biting winds and snow. Dig deep enough for headroom, but not so deep that snow piles in, and then line the walls with evergreen branches for insulation. Leave a ceiling vent to allow for smoke escape if you have a small fire for warmth. This shelter is not only quick to build, but also camouflages you from predators, turning a potential hazard into a hidden sanctuary. With basic knowledge and resourcefulness, surviving an unexpected snowstorm becomes considerably more achievable.